Hey guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a lateral COVID-19 self-testing kit, and it's actually really fast. It only takes a few minutes. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial of the box and what's inside, and I'm going to be showing you guys how it feels for me as a young student in school. So yeah, let's do it. So obviously you open the box, and there's quite a lot of things in here, so I'm just going to open it. I've already selected the couple of things. So, disposal bag. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but there's a disposal bag. You've got like this thing. I'm not sure what it's called. Sampling swab. And then we've got an extraction tube, which keeps the I don't know how to explain it, but I'll show you guys. And then you got this, which is like it's just really water, and it kind of extracts the liquid. And then you've got the extraction tube holder itself, and then in this big bag, you're probably wondering what's inside. If I open it, you guys will see it's actually really small. It's just this, and it comes with this, but you don't really need this, so bye. Anyway, you get this, and you get this really cool thing, and it's kind of just what tells you if it's positive or negative. And I'm just going to tell you guys now, if you get 1C, meaning you are negative. If you get 1T, that means you are positive. No, that means you are on a void, sorry, meaning it didn't really get it. And if you have 2 lines, that means unfortunately you guys are positive. So yeah, let's just hope I'm not positive. Well, let's start. Anyway, I'm going to start off with the tube, so I can just put it in and simply extract it. And if you guys want to open this, you can just twist it till it's open, and then drop. You kind of just want to put the whole bag in, so you can like easily and sometimes it doesn't go in, so you have to check it. And I'm not sure if you guys can really see, but mine went in. So now you kind of just get this swab, and you open it, of course, and you get it, and you do this. This is going to be weird for me because like it usually hurts, but so you have to do it 10 times. Just keep rubbing it 10 times. And you need to make sure that you don't touch your tongue, your teeth, anything except your tonsils. That's what it's called. So now I have to do the other side. Now that I've done it, I'm not finished. This is going to seem weird, but you have to do it with the same one, and you have to put it in your nose now. It's so weird, but I'm going to try my best not to scream or anything. It is so weird, guys, but by the time you'll get used to it. Oh, that hurts. I'm crying, as you guys can tell. It really hurts. You have to like put it really in, or it won't work. You have to do it for 5 seconds. Alright, I done it, and now you just put it in the thing and you swab it for like 15 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, let me show you guys. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Just do 16, 17, 18, just for, being sure. Anyway, now that you've got this and you've got the sample, you want to make sure you get this rid. You put it in the disposal bag. Usually you should have the disposal bag open. So yeah, that was my fault there. And you need to be very careful, because you never know if your actual thing has COVID. I hope none of it does, but you actually never know. So, and you want to close the lid of the extraction tube very tightly, not like what I just did. And you I can't really show you guys it because then I'll drop it, but then you kind of just squeeze it in. 1, 2, 3, and then well, you'll usually only do 2, and then yeah, you just wait and it'll start coming. Kind of just wait for a bit, and it takes like only a few seconds, but when it does come, it's like really cool. So yeah, it's coming now. I'll show you guys once like the thing happens. While you've already done with this, just put it in the disposal bag. You want to get as rid of most things because you don't know what's got COVID or not. So if you can clean things really quickly, it really kind of helps you, and obviously it's quicker. Just gotta wait for the result, and then you have to do it online, and kind of just record it online. You see this though, you want to keep it because it's like quite valuable, and you kind of just want to keep it. So yeah, almost done, guys. And if you guys can properly see that, you guys probably can't properly see that. And I'll show you guys once it's like fully finished. This one's like very faint because I didn't put a lot of liquid. The manual says put 2, but I advise to put maybe 3 or 4. But that's just personally because, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very faint because I've only put 3 drops. And yeah, it's just very faint. But if you want a nice strong one, so you can actually see it, then you want to put like 4 to 5 drops. Anyway, as you guys can see, I've got negative, thank God. And yeah, really, all you do is you get your phone and you go on whatever website, because there is a manual. Yeah, let me pop out the manual. There is a manual that shows you how to do it, but yeah. So technically, as you guys can see, I got negative, and I hope you guys did enjoy that tutorial. If you guys found it useful, like, comment and share. It would really help me, and I'd really appreciate it. So I hope this was a great video, and bye.